The Assembly and Senate passed a bill on Thursday that would provide more than $700 million for improvement projects across University of Wisconsin campuses.
Political reporter Darielle Fair has you covered on how the additional funding will impact changes across the UW system and where UW President Jay Rothman says it currently stands on diversity and inclusion efforts.
The legislation comes after university leadership has advocated that a number of aging buildings discourages students from choosing to attend UW colleges and universities due to a lack of advanced research facilities for those pursuing careers like engineering and other related fields. The proposal allocates close to $155 million in funding towards residence hall improvements and renovations for UW-Madison and UW-Whitewater. The bill also allocates $45 million to tear down older buildings no longer in use to allow for the development of newer, more advanced buildings.
We need more nurses. We need more engineers. We need more people in the health sciences area. Those are all things that we can make these universities more attractive with their offerings.
The proposal, if passed, would prompt the building of a new engineering facility set to graduate an additional 1,000 engineering students, addressing a growing shortage of engineers within the state's workforce. A decision on whether to move forward with the building's development was reached after continued negotiations between the universities of Wisconsin and lawmakers over the presence of diversity, equity, and inclusion efforts on campuses. Republican lawmakers argued last week that DEI career opportunities were still available at UW schools, introducing legislation barring UW from making pledges that influence how students are admitted and faculty is hired.
What we said is that we would freeze the number of DE&I positions that we have on a system-wide basis. There are about 130 people in those roles, and that we would transition 43 of those people to focus solely on student success. It is not an elimination of DE&I programs. It is simply that cap on positions and transitioning some of those people into roles that are serving our students.
UW President Jay Rothman told me he is confident that Governor Evers will likely sign that proposal into law.